Hey everyone, how's it going? I just want to make a little video here of the 2010 iMac. This is one of the ones that I had got that I paid. It was $30 total. The 2007 model was $10. This one was $20, but it was missing the graphic card. So I ordered the graphic card. So this is the one that I ordered. iMac Radeon graphic card. It's actually this one right here. It's the one I purchased. And it came with the bracket, just like that. And then I also had to order the let me go back at it. The bracket for the GPU, which was another $10. But yeah, so I got it all back together. The hard drive that I threw in there had Windows 11 on it, so yeah, that's what we actually booted. So here we go, we're gonna start it up. I actually have a USB here ready with the Mojave installer. It's already patched. I still have to put the DVD back in there, the DVD drive. I have that out, and I still need the SATA cable that goes to the hard drive, DVD drive. Yeah, so it was missing some things, so yeah, I basically getting it all back together. And I do have the glass right there. This one has the i3 540, which will probably upgrade probably to an i5, maybe put the i7. So yeah, this is just a regular spinning hard drive that we have in here, a little laptop hard drive that I had Windows on already. We'll be putting an SSD in here more than likely. I'm trying to get this one going good and everything is good. I'm probably going to go ahead and keep this one, and then I'll turn around and sell the one I have over there. So Windows 11. So that was already on the hard drive, that's why it booted it. And it's kind of slow because of the hard drive, and then we still need to put drivers. But other than that, I mean, it's working. So we're gonna go ahead and put the Mojave installer, the Mojave patcher, just in the back here. Let's see real quick. We're just gonna go ahead and shut this down, and I'll show you how booting the Mojave patcher. Option. We got our Mac OS basing system. this is a 2010. We'll be installing Mojave, and then probably use Parallels to run Windows. So I made the Mojave installer on the USB with my MacBook over here. There we go. So we can go to our disk utility. And this 500 gig drive that we have in here, let's go ahead and erase it. We'll put this OSX Mojave. Oh, this needs to be Mac OS Extended Journal. Erase. Okay, so probably because this needs to be erased too. Nope. Okay, so let me come back here once I figure out what's going on, and we will be back. Alright, so I pulled the hard drive out and went and formatted it with my laptop, the external hard drive. So I don't know why it wasn't formatting over here. It had Windows on it, but it worked fine when I formatted it with my MacBook. So then I put it back over here. So I start it up, hold Option, boot back into the Mojave USB installer. I'm so glad this GPU worked out. Like I said, I paid $17 for it in the Radeon 6750. So we already did the disk utility, so let's see what happens if we just continue here. Continue, agree. There we go, shows it Mojave. Let's go to customize real quick and see if there's anything. No, it looks okay. Continue. So we are installing Mojave. Once it finishes, you boot back into the installer and then you run the Mac post install before you do your first boot, and then after that it should be fine. Alright, so I will come back once Mojave is installed. Alright, so we're back here. It's almost done installing. Like I said, once it finishes installing here, you're going to boot back into your USB and then go to your Mac post install. And it's going to have, if you look up your model of computer and you go to every Mac, you're gonna look right here, imac 11,2. That's what you're looking for, the model ID. So restart. So when it restarts, we'll hold down our option key and boot back into our USB. Okay, so back to our USB. So we'll go down here to our Mac post install. Right here we're going to select our model. What was that? An imac 11,2. Let's select that. It automatically puts everything it needs in there, patches it. Select the volume, which is going to be Mojave, and hit patch. This is the Mac post install using the Mojave patcher from DOS2. And we can just reboot. So now this time when we reboot, we can go ahead and remove our USB stick. Now I'm going to remove the USB stick. And we should be booting into Mojave. We're eventually gonna have to do this all over again, so when we put an SSD in this thing. That ain't no biggie. First boot always takes a little while. Oh, we'll be doing this in real time. No cuts. popping up here shortly. Let's give it a few more, and we should be with our popping up to our Mojave installer or setup. There we go. Got a cursor. Oh, there we go. So let's finish setting it up. Let's skip the Wi-Fi. We'll hook it up in a little bit. Just want to get to the desktop. Privacy, don't transfer anything. Agree. We'll put RC. Let's just go ahead and continue. Do we have to? Okay, we'll put the good old super secret password. Choose light. And there we go. Let's go to about this Mac. Alright. 3.6 gigahertz Intel Core i3, 4 gigs of RAM, 8 AMD Radeon 6750. So this was the $20 Mac, and then another $20 for a graphic card. And we're up and running Mojave with the patcher. We'll probably install Catalina. I like Mojave. Alright, thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe.